The holiday weekend may be over, but we're already looking forward to our next vacation. Our friend Christina Daves has a rundown of the coolest gadgets to pack before your next flight. Alrighty, well, as millions of people return from their 4th of July vacations, all eyes are on the next trip to take advantage of the summer sun. So joining us with several gadgets to make your getaway smooth and efficient is entrepreneur and lifestyle expert Christina Daves. Always so good to see you.
So good to be back. All right, we're going to start with my biggest problem is that my suitcase always weighs too much.
Okay, I may or may not be familiar with that one.
So this scale has pounds and kilograms.
Okay.
And you literally hook it on after you've packed up.
Okay, so put it right onto your suitcase.
Yep, and you just attach it, and then you just lift it, and it tells you exactly what the weight is.
So you don't have to have that like nervous pit in your stomach as soon as you put your bag and like hope and pray that it's...
Which shoes am I pulling out and putting in my carry-on?
And something like that you just get on Amazon and...
$10.
Bingo.
It's worth, you said the upcharge, not having the upcharge of the heavy bag.
There you go. Okay. Love that tip. Okay, what else do you have for us?
Okay, so this is the smallest, world's smallest washing machine. So this is called Scrubba.
Okay.
So I love to work out when I'm traveling.
Good for you.
Every day, but this gets really gross. So this is, you know, my sports bra, my top. You put it in here, you add water and cleaner, and it's got a, so you clean it.
So you legit will wash it right in here, and then you just take it out and let
it, and then hang it to dry. And they've got a bigger one here, like more of a full size.
But this is perfect because you're right, especially with that workout gear, and it gets
yucky.
Really yucky. And if you don't have a place, so Scrubba, I like it.
It's also a storage bag when you're done. How about that?
2 for 1.
You a coffee drinker?
Of course I am.
Okay, check this out. This is a mini espresso.
Okay.
So you literally, it's all put together. Here's your cup. Here's your filter in here. You put your coffee in there. You put water in here. No electricity, no battery. And you squeeze 6 pumps and you've got your coffee.
That is brilliant.
Right?
So you can do that anywhere in a hotel. You can do it. Brilliant.
Yep.
Love that. Okay, what else?
Look at this little guy.
What is this?
Iron.
This is the littlest iron I have
great?
ever seen.
But you know, sometimes you go to a hotel and you don't know if it's gonna have gunk on it and you've got white pants.
I've ruined clothes before doing that.
So this works, it's dual voltage, so it works US and Europe.
Okay.
And this fits so easily in your suitcase. And it comes with to fill your water.
Oh my goodness. And this is just perfect. So in case, because that's always what happens to me is I have, you know, a pair of pants and you've got a crease all down the side of it. And it's not gonna take up, lots of room in your luggage.
Okay.
Are we talking some clothes storage now?
We're talking some clothes storage.
How can I get more in my bag?
2 sweaters right here. And this is vacuum packed, but you don't need a vacuum. So we close it.
Okay.
And oops, well, you don't do that.
Okay.
Okay, but just start rolling it.
Okay. So you close and you start rolling.
And squeeze the air out. There you go.
So this is how you don't need the vacuum because you just keep going like this and it eventually all of the other air.
Side. Yep, but look how fat it got.
And this is 2 sweaters in here, guys.
So they've got big bags for duvets and you can flatten it right out.
And again, if it's smushed, you can maybe fit a few more clothes with you.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk electronics.
Okay, electronics. So I'm a mess when I travel. Cords, right? Look at this.
Too many.
Put all your cords in one place.
Okay, that gives me a sense of peace because I don't know about you. I get so much anxiety with all the cords everywhere.
Right. And when you fly, you know, you need the earbuds that plug in.
Yes.
And then you need your AirPods.
And
I put some cleaner in here and all my plugs.
This is so great. And honestly, if you're traveling with a whole family, again, everybody's is right here. And so mom, you can just put it right there, or dad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is great. I travel a lot.
Right.
And I like to work maybe in the hotel lobby or the Panera or the Starbucks.
Yeah.
You've got to run to the restroom. You got to pack up all your stuff, your laptop. You can lock your laptop. Literally, this attaches right over here. Here, I'll walk around.
Yeah, you walk around and you show me what to do.
Yep.
So this is literally like a bike lock for your laptop.
You wrap this on the table that you're working on. You push it through here, so unless they're going to steal the whole table.
Okay.
And then you just...
That'll be a little obvious.
Push it on, and you've got your lock. And you can leave your computer.
That is huge,
Isn't
and
that great?
especially if you're one of those travelers. I mean, you know what it's like going in and out. Always so many great stuff from you. How can we connect with you, Christina, for more travel hacks and lifestyle hacks?
ChristinaDaves.com.
You make it so easy. Thank you so much, and happy traveling, everybody.